Crazy story. I went to the animal shelter to pick up 2 foster kittens I had been fostering for the past month and a half or so, and I just found out today as I went in that they both got adopted and together, which I'm so happy to hear because I knew the 2 kittens I had were brother and sister and I thought they were a bonded pair. So it makes my heart so happy that they got adopted together and that they are in their forever home. And now I made the executive decision to foster 4 new foster kittens, and they're 7 weeks old. They're so tiny and so cute, and I can't wait for my 3rd round of fostering and for this foster journey. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and hopefully it'll be a little fun, a little chaotic, but really cute and sweet. Like, look at how small they are. They're so cute and precious. The little orange one's purring up a storm. I can tell that he's gonna be affectionate. So sweet. I just changed into my Spider Cat graphic t-shirt, so now I'm ready to take care of these kittens. So one of the first things I like to do when I get kittens for home for the first time is cut their nails. They really need their nails cut because at the shelter they can grow really long and get really sharp, and that can be dangerous to you. So make sure that when you get the kittens home you cut their nails. They don't really like it, but it has to be done. Before I do anything else, I'm going to put these gloves on. I don't know if they will help, but I hope they do. You can tell right here that they have pretty sharp nails, especially when they're retracted, so you just want to cut those down. When you're done cutting their nails, they should look like this. Less sharp. There you go. On to the next one. Let's see how sharp the claws are. Oh, talons. Look at those. It's okay. You're gonna get just a little bit of a trim. It's time for this one. Oh my gosh, you're already gripping. Now it's time for this little guy. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Hey, it's okay. So many claws. So many claws. What a cutie pie. Okay, time to get you trimmed. See? Not so bad. Glove check. Right glove seems pretty okay, but left glove has gone through it. Last cat we have is Mr. Orange Cat with the sharp claws. Let's fix that. Yay! They're all done. You're done. Alrighty, it's time to release the beasts. I have this Delectables squeeze up liquid treat, so let's see if the kittens like it. It's a feeding frenzy. Oh, it looks like they're all tuckered out. I just had the most genius idea. I heard once that cats like being read to, and there's a book I've been meaning to read for a while now. It's the Cinnamon Bun Cafe, and I really want to read that book, so why not multitask and I will read the book to them. That sounds like an excellent idea. Doesn't it sound like a great idea, guys? I still haven't named them, but I'm going to test my waters with them to see if they will tolerate me or not. Test number 1. I think that was pretty successful. Okay, let's see. Test number 2. Looks uncomfortable, but is kind of accepting it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Let's see number 3. Excuse me. Cat cam coming through. I would say these 3 are a success. A little 4th one over here. I don't know why she's by herself. I think she's the runt of the litter though. Oh, I'm gonna go pick her up. Okay, I plopped her right here. She's so tiny. Oh my gosh. What a cuddly guy. This is progress. This is huge progress. It seems like they're all kind of sniffing around. I misspoke earlier. I meant to say the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. This is the book that we will be reading, okay, class? Chapter 1. Jeannie Ellis has never killed a man before, but tonight might be the night. She clutched the baseball bat tighter in her fist and crept down the rickety back staircase. Jeannie was officially the owner of the Pumpkin Spice Cafe. Her Aunt Dot's pride and joy until exactly 2 weeks ago when the older woman announced she was retiring. So I've come up with nicknames for them. This is Shy Girl, because she's shy. Orange Cat, where'd you go? Orange Cat is Orange Dude. Hey, that's not for you. And then, oh my gosh. Over there is Tom Girl. And then over there is Just Chillin'. So tiny. So it's currently day 2 of fostering these kittens, and these are the most friendly kittens I have ever met. They are just so dang cute. Oh my gosh, not the pants. And not the hair. It's currently day 3 with the kittens, and they are all just so sleepy right now and cute. They tuckered themselves out because they've been playing all morning, but take a look. I'm currently doing some work, and look who's in my lap. She was begging for my attention. I put her down for 1 second, and she already wants back up. Oh, okay. Back up she goes. Oop. Look at them in my lap together. So cute. Look at this dude. Fully stretched.
My husband takes his watch party grilling duties very seriously.
Mocha the escape artist. Mocha! I've had the kittens for 8 days now, and it's time to give the kittens a bath. So let's go into the bathroom and clean them up. Pip is the one that needs the bath the most because she hasn't been cleaning herself. They say to use Dawn's dish soap, so that's what we're using. Maybe it's a little too cold. Let's warm it up a little bit more. Now that the water is a little bit warmer, kind of warmer. It's okay. Giving her little toes massage. I've had these kittens for exactly 2 weeks now, and I can definitely say they've grown on me. They are super playful and very funny to watch, and then when they calm down, they're very cute and cuddly. I just wanted to introduce and kind of talk about their personalities. So this is Tiny. Tiny is a little bit shy. She doesn't really play. She likes to supervise. And she's also very attention seeking. Like, she loves attention. She weighs less than a pound. She's so small you can fit her in the palm of a hand. And she's just so cute to have around. Like, when I bathed her, because she does get really stinky, she does not bathe herself, I gave her a bath and she was just cuddly with me the entire day. She slept on my lap while I did work, and she has the cutest little squeak as a little noise. When 3 of the other cats got mischievous and went into the wall of the apartment, Tiny over here was the only one who did not get into trouble. She was nice and she was sitting on the couch just sleeping while the other ones were up to no good. So Tiny is definitely one I want to keep for myself. Next is Pumpkin. Pumpkin is the only orange cat in the litter, and he's also the big boy. He's very hefty for a kitten, and he's very fun. He's outgoing. He loves to come up to you and just play around. He also is the loudest purr. So if you start petting him like I am right now, you can't see it, but he's already starting to purr. If you allow him to get comfortable, he'll lay on your lap and chill there for a little bit. But him and one of the other cats are the biggest troublemakers. They're constantly getting up to no good and they're just very curious. So they love like getting into things, climbing up on the counters, knocking things down. Pumpkin is my favorite. He is also just so fun to hold. He's just so cute. Like, look at him. Pumpkin. I had such a hard time coming up with a name for Pumpkin. There were so many names going around, like Garfield and Fred, but I think that Pumpkin really suits him, especially because it's October. So with pumpkin season, hi. He's purring right now. He's so happy. This is Taro. Taro is also a male and he is very sleepy. He's named after the anime character from Sakamoto Days because all he does is he loves to eat and he loves to sleep. I have a orange couch that's for like a cat couch, and Taro loves sleeping on the orange couch and just relaxing. He loves his tummy rubbed. So if you approach him, he'll constantly like just fall on his back because he wants his tummy rubbed. And he's not the biggest troublemaker, but he definitely plays follow the leader and is getting up to no good because he sees the others and he wants to join in on the fun. Taro's just a little sweetie in disguise, and he is also pretty friendly. And last but not least, this is Mocha. She is the ringleader with Pumpkin, stirring all the trouble, and she's just so cute. Oh, she has a little piece of fuzz on her nose. She's very friendly, but not as friendly as I would say Pumpkin and Taro. She definitely is more independent and likes to keep to herself. She loves to play. One of her favorite toys is this little feather stick. So it's like a stick and then it has a string with a feather attached to it, and she loves that. And she also loves that toy where the ball is stuck in a circle and they the kittens try to bat the ball around. So she's definitely, I would say, the most playful out of the bunch. And look at her little face. She's so cute. She's also very soft. Like, I just love petting her. Pumpkin's fur is kind of coarse, and Tiny's fur is, I don't even know how to describe it. It's fluffy, but it's not soft fluffy, if that makes sense. And I feel like Taro and Mocha both have the softest fur. I definitely see the resemblance between Taro and Mocha. I used to get them mixed up all the time. But that's the crew. Mwah. I'm at the animal shelter and it's time to return these little guys so that they can get adopted. I'm sure that they're all going to get scooped up as soon as possible, and it's just been such a pleasure and so nice having them as my foster kittens for the past couple weeks. So sad goodbye, but I know that they're going to go to great homes, and I'm so excited for them to move on to this next chapter in their lives. So goodbye for now. Thank you so much for watching my foster kitten vlog, and I'll hopefully see you next time. Bye. All right, one last goodbye. Bye guys. You're gonna go find new homes now.